Good morning, students. How are you all? Once again, I, Mohita Singh, welcomes you all in my SST class. Children, as you all know, that we are studying chapter 1, The Earth Our Home. Okay? In our previous class, children, we had already discussed about shape and size of the earth, about Magellan, and in this class we are going to discuss about the earth's surface. Okay, this is the topic which we have to discuss in this video. Okay, so children, let's start the class with our topic. See here, children, everyone, the earth surface of the earth is covered with land and water. Children, the surface of the earth is covered with land and water. Okay. About 71% of the earth surface is water. Okay. About 71% of the earth surface is water. Water is found in oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, etc. Children, the water is found in seas, rivers, oceans, lakes and etc. You can see here. See here, children. Water is found in oceans, rivers, sea, lakes and etc. Okay, on our earth. The remaining 29% is land. Children, the remaining 29% on earth's surface is land portion. The land portion has mountains, valleys, plateaus, plains, forests and desert, as you can see in the picture. The land portion has mountains, valleys, plateaus, plains, forests, deserts and etc. Okay. The layer of air which surrounds the earth is called the atmosphere, as you can see in the picture. See here, children, everyone. The layer of air which surrounds the whole earth is called the atmosphere. Okay. The layer of air which surrounds the earth is called the atmosphere. It is made up of a number of gases. Children, our atmosphere is made up of a number of gases. Okay. All human beings, animals and plants need air to live. Children, we the human beings, animals and plants all need air to live, to survive. Okay. The earth's atmosphere extend upwards for about 500 kilometers. Children, as you can see in the picture, the earth's atmosphere extend upwards for about 500 kilometers. Okay. It goes upwards about 500 kilometers. Here, come to the next topic, the sky. Okay. We will learn about the sky. It looks like an inverted blue colored bowl. Children, the sky looks like an inverted blue color bowl. Okay, this is what we call the sky. This is we call the sky. Okay, the inverted blue colored bowl is called our sky. Okay, sky looks like an inverted blue color bowl to us. Okay, it appears like an inverted blue color bowl to we people. This is called our sky. Okay, here you can see. This is, okay, this is our sky, blue color, inverted blue color bowl. Okay. The sky has no color, children. The sky has no any color. Okay. It has dust particles and water. Children, sky has dust particles and water in it, present in it. Okay. These particles scatter the light of the sun in such a way that the sky looks blue. Children, these particles, these dust particles and water scatter the light of the sun in such a way that our sky looks blue to us. Okay. Children, when we look from a great distance, the sky and the earth appear to meet. This meeting point is called horizon. Children, when we look from a very great distance, the sky, as you can see in the picture, this is sky, okay? The sky and the earth, this is earth. The sky and the earth appear to meet, okay? They appear to meet with each other. This meeting point is called as horizon. This meeting point is called as horizon. Okay. In fact, children, in reality, the earth and the sky never meet. Children, in fact, earth and the sky never meet. Okay, earth and the sky never meet. Okay. They only seem to be meeting. Okay, children, they only seem to be meeting to us. In reality, they never meet. Okay. The place where land and sea meet is called as coast. Children, the place where land and sea meet is called as coast. Okay, where land, here you can see the land portion and here you can see sea portion. Where these two meet with each other is called as coast. This area is called as coast and this is coastal areas. Okay, all these are coastal areas. Okay, children. So, the place where land and sea meet is called as coast. Many people live on the coast. Okay, many people, children, live near the coast, live on the coast. These areas are also known as coastal areas. Children, these areas are also known as coastal areas. Okay. Again, I am repeating. If we stand on the coast and look towards the sea, we notice that the water surface and the sky appear to meet at a distant point. Children, if we stand on the coast, here you can see this man is standing on the coast and look towards the sea and he is looking towards the sea. Okay. We notice that the water surface and the sky appear to meet at a distance point. What we will notice, children? We notice that the sky, this is sky and the water surface, this water surface appear to meet at a distant point. They appear to meet at a distance point. Okay, the water surface and the sky appears to meet at a distant point. Okay. In fact, the water surface and the sky never meet. In fact, children, the water surface and the sky, they never meet. They never meet. Okay. They never meet, children. Okay. They only seem to be meeting, but in reality, they never meet. Okay, children. So, children, that's all about chapter 1, the Earth Our Home. In next class, we will discuss objective question answer of this very chapter. Till then, children, must take care, be safe at home. Bye-bye and thanks for watching my video.